So students, here in this video I am talking about the present continuous tense. So present continuous tense is being categorized again in two categories. One is your assertive sentence, that is simple sentence or positive sentence. Another one is negative sentence. Continuous we have discussed, that is the action which is being in continuation in the present form. Okay. In assertive, always remember subject comes, then after, since we are talking of present, so is, am, are will come, then verbs first form, with that ing goes. Like I am reading a novel. Here I is our subject, who is reading a novel, with who I am determining subject in the sentence. Okay. So who is reading a novel? I is your subject. With I always ams come, you all know very well. I am. Read is the first form of the verb. With that I am using ing since the work is in continuation form. So I am reading a novel. Understood? When I have to make it as a negative, only I have to add not in it. Like I am not reading a novel. Now students, if I am talking about the interrogative sentence, so interrogative sentence may always they are beginning with is, am, are in present. Okay. So is, am, are, then subject, then verb, then verbs with verb first form ing comes, then question mark or an interrogation mark. Like am I reading a novel? Question mark. Always remember, when I am talking of a subject I, with I, am comes, then verbs first form, then ing. With we, you, they, are comes, then verbs first form, then ing. With he, she, it, is comes, then verbs first form, then ing. Understood? Now what is the usage of this present continuous tense? First one is whenever the action is in progress or in continuation form in present, you are going to use present continuous tense. Like we are watching television. Here who is watching television? We is our subject, and the work is in progress, continuation form, it is going on. So what you are using are, then verbs first form watch, with that ing comes watching. Understood? Similarly, when the action is temporary, it is not necessary that the action is going on continuously at the time of speaking. Understood? Now here when I am talking of the action which is temporary, which is not permanent, and it is not necessary also that the action is going on continuously at the time of speaking. When I am speaking, it is not necessary at that time also that action is going on. So that is the action is temporary, with that I am using present continuous tense. Like many of my class fellows are looking for jobs. Here many of my class fellows are looking for jobs. The action is temporary but still going on. So you are using present continuous tense. Students, with this topic, try to solve exercise 4 and 5 by your own first, then I will send. Okay. Let's move further, that is the simple present and present continuous tense. Always remember, I have told you whenever a general attitude is being talked of, simply a general way of a person, like she sings, then it is a simple present tense. But when the action is in progress is talking of, then it is present continuous tense, like she is singing. Understood? Always remember, present tense, simple present tense covers a wide range, whereas present tense only covers the present moment of that time. Okay? With it, try to solve exercise 6 also. Now let's move towards do not use present continuous tense with these verbs. What are the verbs with which we are not going to use present continuous tense? Verb like love, like, adore, respect, think, know, suppose, seem, appear, measure, believe, hear, see, own, belongs. These are the sensual verbs, you can say. Sensual means which can only be sensed by us, we can't touch them. With these verbs, only the present continuous tense is not used. Like you can't say I am loving you. This is wrong. In general way we are saying na, speaking में आप बोल देते हो I am loving you, but this is wrong students. Grammatically it is completely wrong. You can't say I am loving you. You can only say I love you. Understood? Because with this love verb, no present continuous tense is used. Second one is she is knowing the truth. You can't say she is knowing the truth, ma'am. You can say she knows the truth. Okay, that means know is the verb with which can't take or can't follow the present continuous tense. Now usage of this have. Have is a verb that contains have and has. Okay, have is used to show possession, experience, eating and drinking. With possession, when I am talking of possession means belonging something, something belonging या अधिकार दिखाना. Like my uncle has a big house. Here has form or have form is the only form which is being used here. Why? Because here it is a possession of uncle's on big or on that house. Okay. Therefore, what is used here? Has. For experience, the boys are having a gala feast. This is the experience of the boys. Therefore, have comes. Okay. Similarly, I am having my dinner. Here I am telling that I am eating. Eating habit is shown. Therefore, have form is used. She is having coffee. Here drinking is shown here, that what something is being drunk by her. कुछ पिया जा रहा है. Therefore, have form is used. Hope so it is clear up till here. Next further topics of this same chapter will be continued soon. So try to watch this video completely, understand them, understand each topic what is explained today. Also, you may ask me personally for any queries, whatever is generated. Okay, thank you students.